Guys, this is going to be a quick, simple, easy video. Today we're going to clean out the spark arrestor on a stihl br200 backpack blower. Sometimes if you're not getting full RPMs, like it's throttling up but only going up slightly and then it just won't full throttle, it's going to be this. That's not really the case with this one. This one needs a new carburetor. I'll be ordering a carburetor for it. But before I do order a carburetor, I'm just going to double check by doing this anyways. So very simple, quick, easy, straightforward video. And it is a common issue with these. It's a 5/8 socket, and we're going to undo that guy right there. Okay, you get the screen out. Now, this one is good and clear, but if yours is not, if it's clogged, then that's definitely an issue. So what we're going to do is torch it and burn off any of the carbon. Hold on, I'll show you. Just like that. Nice and red hot. Just got a little bit of carbon in it. Not much. Just burn it all out. Then you can set it right back in the muffler so that you can tighten it down. Alright, set this down so it doesn't fall off the table. Then you take and tighten it back up. Now again, this wasn't the issue. It was just hopeful thinking, you know, check all the things before you have to go and do the carburetor. One of those deals. So, but this is, I actually have had one of these today that was the issue. Oh look, this thing's not wanting to go in. That was the issue. So it does happen all the time. Hold on, let me get this in there. Got her all good and tightened in, but again, that wasn't the issue. It's going to be a carburetor. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I will be doing a video hopefully this week, if this carburetor comes in, on doing the carburetor on this. I did a carburetor adjustment video. I tried adjusting it first. That didn't work, but that's on the channel. Alright, yeah. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, guys. Peace.